Yeah, we're doing a little pheasant hunt today on the Angel Farm.
Damn it, Charlie.
That one's dead.
We put him good in the air, Charlie.
That's not even cool.
He's got that short barrel. He can shoot him at 4 feet.
So gross.
What do you think, Lee?
I don't know. I just want to get a bird at least out to here.
We've got bird dog Anthony Quant in the corn.
Bird dog Quant. Oh, this bigger. I think.
I got hands are full.
Here, I'll hold your gun.
I think the safety's off.
Hold on just a second.
Oh! You're fine.
Proceed.
Lee, I'm gonna let the next one get that. Charlie, you bastard! You shot like 3 of them as soon as they popped out. You snub nose. Charlie's trigger happy. How many of these did he say you put out?